I have some modern farmhouse Kirkland's dupes today. One is using a thrifted item, one is upcycling an old project, and the third is with a brand new item that I found in the Target dollar spot. So let's get crafty with the first DIY. I really needed a key holder in our coat closet. This Keys Please sign was originally $17, but it happened to be on sale the day I took this screenshot. I went to a local thrift shop a while back and came across this for only $1.65, random price. Even the woman at the checkout was like, "That's a weird price we chose there." We will start by removing the hardware and filling in those holes so we have room at the top for our sign. A little wood filler and sanding, and then I will paint that hardware black and the wooden sign white. Black and white always makes for a nice clean farmhouse look, and I just love using black and white in my crafts. This video is part of a collab with a small group of friends. If you love thrift makeovers, then you will love all of the wonderful ideas we've put together on the playlist. I will link that playlist below so you can check it out after you finish my video. I measured to see how big the sign needed to be. If you don't have a Cricut or another cutting machine, then you can always use an inkjet printer for this type of project. I try to make the sign fit the entire space so the edge of the paper blends in closely with the edge of the item that we're gluing it on. I found a close match to the font that the Kirkland's version, and I even added a shadow effect. Then I trim this out. A quick coat of Super 77 and this paper is really stuck to the wood for good. I marked where I wanted to re-drill the holes, and then I added that hardware back on. This was so easy, and now this key holder has a new farmhouse look. Here were the supplies we had to pick up. And here is mine compared to the Kirkland's version. I actually like mine better. What do you guys think? You can't go wrong with a monogram piece of home decor. My name is Maria, so I am going to dupe this wooden crate with the letter M. We'll be using the new item I found in the Target dollar spot. This wooden crate was a good size, and it's really sturdy for only $3. I measured the crate and printed out the letter M at the right size. Using an X-Acto knife, I cut the large, straight edges, and then afterwards I went in and freehanded the smaller areas. If you have a favorite home decor store and you want to see me make copies of their items, then leave me a comment below. I love sharing crafts and home DIYs with you guys. I just like to give you inspiration so you can find your inner artist. If you like the sound of that, please consider subscribing, because I do home decor inspiration every Friday, and I would love for you to be part of this uplifting and creative community here on Artsy Cupcake. I used Super 77 to glue the M to the crate, and then I took a flat-edged paintbrush and dry brushed some of those black streaks along the crate to give it that same modern farmhouse look that the Kirkland's one has. Here are the items we had to pick up for this project. Well, it was just one item since I already had the paint and the paper. And here is mine next to the Kirklands one. I thought this was such a cute idea for a memo board. This comes in a set of 2, but we will only be making the notes version. So we'll say one is $27.50 if we cut that price in half. I'm going to upcycle this piece of decor, which I had used for another craft. You could use an embroidery hoop or even a small hula hoop from Dollar Tree. I sanded off any glue and then measured out some thick twine. We'll attach this twine with hot glue to the back. I put a dot of hot glue down first and then held one side of the twine on it. And then I finished that off with another dot of glue on top, and that sealed that twine in place. After one side dried, I could move to the other side and pull the twine really taut, and I repeated this on the other side with the dot of glue underneath and then on top. I think a staple gun would have worked really well on a wooden hoop, but I don't have a staple gun. I gave the whole thing a coat of flat black spray paint. Then I trimmed off the scraggly edges of twine with some scissors. Now for the fun part, sculpting the word notes from some wire. I'm not sure what happened, but I went to 2 or 3 Dollar Trees specifically looking for their floral wire, and they were all out. So that floral wire is in high demand right now for some reason. So I got this wire from Target, and it's a little thinner than I would have liked. The Dollar Tree one is much thicker, but it worked fine. I manipulated the wire until I got the letters just the way I wanted them, and I made sure to leave a little bit of wire at the beginning and end so I could attach this to the back of that wooden frame. I had these mini clothespins from Dollar Tree. You can see that they are about half the size of a regular clothespin. You could attach a chain if you want to copy the exact look of the Kirkland's version, or you could hang it directly on the wall without the chain. Here were the items that we used. And here is mine compared to the Kirkland's one. Don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas every week, and check out the playlist below for more thrift makeover inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a creative day. Bye!